How to fix Pinterest age problem. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's open the Pinterest app first. It's very quick and simple. You have to open the app. Here you have to click on the bottom right on your profile, and then on the top right you'll find these three dots. Click on that and then click on settings. Then you'll find multiple options here, but you have to choose privacy and data. Once you click on privacy and data, you have to scroll down, and here you'll find an option of cached data. Below that you'll find clear cache. Click on that and it will clear all your storage, excessive storage. Your phone will be basically restarted. Once you do that, and you have to go back and open the app again. Once you open the app again, your problem will be solved of the age error happening. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.